Have you ever pondered what secrets the universe keeps hidden in its vast expanse? The universe, an infinite canvas of twinkling stars, nebulous galaxies, and celestial bodies, is a treasure trove of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Its grandeur is captivating, its silence is intriguing, and its secrets, oh, they're the stuff of legends. This cosmos, the unseen universe, is not just a silent spectator but a stage where countless events unfold. Some of these events are so staggeringly vast and complex that they can challenge our understanding of reality itself. From solar flares that could disrupt our way of life to the impending collision of entire galaxies, the universe is far from a static void. It's a dynamic, ever-changing spectacle of cosmic phenomena. Imagine, for instance, an asteroid named Apophis that's set to pass close to Earth in the year 2029. Or the strange fact that Mars, the red planet, will one day boast rings while Saturn, the ringed planet, will lose its own. Picture the Earth's magnetic field flipping or the Sun transforming into a white dwarf billions of years from now. Consider Voyager, the little spacecraft that could, embarking on a 40,000-year journey to pass a distant star. Or the star Betelgeuse, which might explode into a supernova within the next 500 years, lighting up our night sky. And think of the footprints left on the moon by astronauts, which will eventually vanish in 10 million years due to the lack of atmosphere and weather. Then there's the grandest event of all. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, is on a collision course with the neighboring Andromeda galaxy. But fear not, this cosmic dance won't begin for another 4 billion years. And let's not forget, the Earth's rotation is gradually slowing down, extending our days bit by bit. So you see, the universe isn't just about silent twinkling stars. It's a cosmic theater where events of unimaginable scale are constantly unfolding. These events, some imminent, some billions of years away, remind us of our place in the cosmos. They humble us, they inspire us, and they fill us with awe. So, are you ready to delve into the cosmic timeline and uncover these fascinating events? First stop, the year 2025 and 2029. Where we encounter a solar flare and an asteroid named Apophis. Imagine, if you will, the year 2025. The Sun, our life-giving star, is going through its usual cycles, but then a sudden outburst of energy and light known as a solar flare erupts. This isn't just any solar flare, but one of the most significant we've seen in recent history. Solar flares are powerful bursts of radiation, and while harmful radiation from a flare cannot pass through Earth's atmosphere to physically affect humans, they can disturb the atmosphere in the layer where GPS and communication signals travel. This means we could potentially see disruptions in our everyday technology. Everything from satellite communications to power grids could be affected. Moving forward to 2029, we are expecting a visit from a celestial traveler. An asteroid named Apophis, named after the ancient Egyptian god of chaos, is set to pass by Earth. But don't worry, it's not expected to cause any chaos this time around. Apophis is approximately 370 meters in diameter, roughly the size of 3 football fields. It's hurtling through space at a speed of over 28,000 kilometers per hour. Now, how close is Apophis expected to get? Well, it's estimated to pass within just 31,000 kilometers of Earth's surface. To put that into perspective, that's closer than some of our geosynchronous satellites. While it's an uncomfortably close shave by space standards, scientists assure us that Apophis poses no significant risk to Earth during its 2029 flyby. While the solar flare of 2025 and Apophis's visit in 2029 may seem like distant events, in the grand scheme of things, they're just around the corner. They serve as a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of space, and how much there is still to explore and understand. While these events might seem distant, they are just around the corner in the grand scheme of the universe. Moving forward in time, we witness the transformation of Mars, Saturn, and even our own planet, Earth. Let's start with Mars, the red planet, which holds a future as fascinating as its present. Mars is set to undergo an intriguing metamorphosis, acquiring a ring system similar to those of its gas giant neighbors. This development will come about due to the gradual disintegration of its moon, Phobos. Over millions of years, the tidal forces exerted by Mars will tear Phobos apart, transforming it into a ring of debris encircling the planet. The sight will be nothing short of spectacular, a testament to the ceaseless evolution of celestial bodies. Meanwhile, Saturn, the jewel of our solar system, known for its breathtaking rings, will experience a stark transformation. Over the course of 100 million years, the planet's gravitational pull will consume its iconic rings, leaving it bare. The rings, composed primarily of ice particles with a smattering of rock and dust, are steadily spiraling into the planet. It's a sobering reminder of the impermanence of even the most enduring celestial features. Closer to home, Earth, our blue planet, is due for a significant shift. Scientists predict that Earth's magnetic field will flip, with the north and south poles swapping places. This geomagnetic reversal, a natural phenomenon, has occurred several times in Earth's history, roughly every 200,000 years. The flip, although gradual, could have potential effects on our technology, particularly satellite systems, and may even impact climate patterns. But fear not, these flips have occurred without any evidence of catastrophic effects on life. These transformations, though they seem distant and unfathomable, are part of the cosmic dance that shapes our universe. From Mars acquiring rings to Saturn losing its own, from the flip of Earth's magnetic field to the evolution of galaxies, space is a theater of ceaseless change. These transformations remind us of the dynamic nature of our universe. As we journey further into the future, we follow the path of Voyager and anticipate the explosion of the Betelgeuse star. Born from the brilliance of human ingenuity, the Voyager probes, launched in the late 20th century, continue their epic journey across the cosmos. Their mission, to venture where no man-made object has gone before, is nothing short of extraordinary. As of today, Voyager 1 is the farthest human-made object from Earth, a testament to our inherent curiosity and thirst for knowledge. 40,000 years from now, Voyager 1 is expected to pass within 1.6 light-years of the star Gliese 445. That's close in cosmic terms, like a whisper in the vast silence of space. But what of Voyager's silent companion on this journey, the star Betelgeuse? This red supergiant, one of the brightest stars in our night sky, is nearing the end of its life. It's a cosmic ticking time bomb, and when it explodes, it will create one of the most spectacular events in our cosmic neighborhood, a supernova. Betelgeuse is about 20 times more massive than our Sun and about 1,000 times larger. If it were in the center of our solar system, it would swallow up the orbits of Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and even Jupiter. But don't worry, Betelgeuse is safely located some 600 light-years away. In astronomical terms, Betelgeuse is expected to explode relatively soon. Within the next 500 years, give or take a few centuries, this star will exhaust its nuclear fuel. When that happens, the core will collapse under its own gravity, resulting in a supernova explosion. We'll witness a light show unlike any other, as Betelgeuse outshines entire galaxies for a few weeks before gradually fading away. These events, although far in the future, demonstrate the ongoing evolution of the universe. Voyager's journey and Betelgeuse's inevitable demise remind us that the cosmos is a place of constant change and infinite wonder. As we gaze up at the stars, we are not just looking into space, but also peering deep into time, witnessing the past, present, and future of the universe itself. Finally, we venture into the far future, where we witness the collision of galaxies, the slowing of Earth's rotation, and the transformation of our Sun. Just imagine, in about 4 billion years, our home galaxy, the Milky Way, is predicted to collide with the neighboring Andromeda galaxy. But fear not, this isn't a collision in the way you might think. Galaxies are largely made up of empty space, so instead of a catastrophic crash, this event will be more of a graceful merger, The two galaxies will dance around each other, their gravitational forces tugging and pulling until they eventually meld into one large galaxy. Moving on, let's talk about Earth. Our planet is gradually slowing down. This happens because of the gravitational interaction between the Earth and the Moon, known as tidal friction. Over billions of years, this will cause our days to lengthen. However, this change is happening so slowly that it's unlikely to impact humanity. It's estimated that in about 140 million years, a day on Earth will last 25 hours. Lastly, we turn our gaze to the Sun, the heart of our solar system. In approximately 7 billion years, our Sun will exhaust its hydrogen fuel and evolve into a red giant, engulfing the inner planets, including Earth. Eventually, the outer layers of the Sun will be expelled, leaving behind a small dense core called a white dwarf. This white dwarf will glow with residual heat for billions of years before it fades into darkness. These events, although billions of years away, remind us of the ever-changing nature of the cosmos. As we journey through space and time, we're constantly reminded that nothing in the universe is static. Everything is in a state of perpetual motion and evolution. The cosmos is a grand theater of change, and we are fortunate to be part of this spectacular performance. From imminent space events to those billions of years away, space continues to captivate us with its mysteries. From Apophis grazing our planet in 5 years, to the Sun's transformation billions of years hence, our universe is an ever-evolving spectacle. Mars gaining rings, Saturn losing them, the Earth's magnetic flip, or the Milky Way's collision with Andromeda, these events remind us of the dynamic nature of our universe. As we continue to gaze into the cosmos, we look forward to uncovering more of its captivating secrets.